In this video, I will show you how to set up recurring reminders on iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and open Reminder on iPhone. So in here, look for Reminder. Click on the app, and then once you're inside the app, go ahead and create a new reminder. So click on this new reminder button at the bottom left of your screen. So in here, you need to create a title for the reminder along with the notes for this reminder. So you need to add the details. By clicking on the details, you will be able to set up the time and date of this reminder. So we'll name this reminder first and then incorporate a note. So once you click on details, make sure to enable date and time, and make sure to also set it. After setting it up, make sure to click on the repeat. So in here, make sure to set it to your preferred recurring reminder. So for example, I want to set it as a monthly recurring reminder. So simply set that up into that and then click on that add button to save these changes to my reminder. And that is how I can basically set up recurring reminders on iPhone.